Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. My name is Lauren and in today's video I will be talking about my favorite ways to use washi tape. This video is more geared towards bullet journaling, planning, and creative avenues. These are my personal recommendations based on how I use washi tape. So if you have your favorite ways of using washi tape and I haven't mentioned it in the video, then please leave a comment down below and share for me and for everyone else. This is my last video in my washi tape week series. This week was all about washi tape on my channel. To view my past videos where I swatched, organized, and showed you my favorite places to buy washi tape, I will link everything down in the description for you. So in today's video, I will show you some old bullet journal spreads, some art journal spreads, and some K-pop journal spreads that illustrate my 6 favorite ways to use washi tape. If you would like flip-throughs of my old bullet journals, let me know in the comments down below and I might film those to share with you in the future. So let's get started. So prior to this video, I went through all of my journals and put little bookmarkers for where the examples I'm going to be showing in today's videos come from. So I'm not going to go in any journal order, I'm just going to go in order of the list. The first way to use washi tape is for decorative purposes. If your washi tape matches your theme or your color scheme, I recommend sticking washi tape in any empty corner, empty side, any negative space that is in your bullet journal. By doing this, it helps make your spreads look pretty. It helps fill in empty spaces you might not like. You may like your empty spaces. Some people don't. It's all, experimental. You do what you want to do. Washi tape in your journal is great for decorative purposes if you can't draw especially, or if you don't have stickers or don't want to use stickers. If you're feeling low energy and don't want to draw that month or that week, sticking in washi tape is just as good in my book. I probably use decorative washi tape the most. It's super easy just to tack on to any of your spreads. The second way to use washi tape is as a feature of your theme or spread. If you find a washi tape you really like, then I recommend try building your entire spread around it, or your entire monthly theme around it. Maybe you have a lot of washi tape, like I do, and you don't know what color scheme to do for that month. So maybe you'll close your eyes and randomly pick out 3 different colors, and that will be your theme for that month. In March of this year, I built my entire theme around colored solid washi tape. So using washi tape really guided me this entire month. I used washi tape on almost every spread because it really guided my theme this month. So in my first ever bullet journal, I had washi tape as the decorative design on my cover of my bullet journal. And I also had washi tape as the feature of my cover page, which is like the first page of my journal, you can see. It was like the main feature. It's what I built this entire page around. It was the rainbow of washi tape. In 2019, I also did the same thing. Obviously, this is very decorative, but it's also the main feature of my month because I kept using it in every possible way I could. The next way to use washi tape is as an embellishment. This can mean picture frames. Using washi tape as picture frames is a great way to enhance your bullet journal spreads and add emphasis to some fun memories of yours. So I use washi tape as an embellishment at the bottom of my pages when I do journal entries. As you can see here, I've carried the green washi tape all throughout these pages. It helps theme the pages together and it embellishes this moment. It stands out from the rest of my bullet journal. Here's another way to embellish just some journal entries using my washi tape to embellish pictures. Or you can also use washi tape to add emphasis to something you write down on a specific day of the month or a specific week that's coming up. The next use of washi tape is for functional. Sometimes we don't want an artsy bullet journal. We want something minimal, plain, and easy. Functional washi tape use is just as valid as artsy washi tape use. Functional washi tape use can be seen in many forms, such as taping down photos or post-it notes into your journal, dividing sections of a page, highlighting important text by putting a square around it, or using the washi tape as a title to actually write on. But if you're going to be writing on top of your washi tape, keep in mind that the surface of your washi tape might not pair well with multiple markers or pens. You might have to use a Sharpie. It all depends on the surface of your washi tape, if you have like a shiny finish or like a matte finish. A lot of people use washi tape as a bookmark, which is another great use of washi tape. You can see I have a green, a pink, and a blue marker at the top of my journal, which helps me easily find a page. Of course, in contrast to functional, our next use of washi tape in a bullet journal is the artsy way. You can use washi tape for endless possibilities when you're trying to use it for artsy reasons. You can use it in collages. You can use it in art or aesthetic spreads. Like I use it in my K-pop journaling, but you can also use it in your own personal scrapbooking inside your journal and also outside of your journal. This spread in my K-pop journal utilizes a ton of washi tape. And the sixth use of washi tape is sharing it with your friends. Send washi samples to your pen pals. These are all of my favorite washi tape samples that pen pals have given me. There's so much tape on a roll. Are you ever going to use this all, especially if you have a large collection already? Sharing your washi tape with friends, family, and other people in your life who journal or do art things is very fulfilling. I personally share my washi tape with my friends when pen paling. How do you share your washi tape with your friends, you may ask? It's called making washi tape samples. How do you make washi tape samples, you may ask? Well, it's very easy. First, you need a base. A lot of friends send me washi tape samples on tags, on pieces of cardstock. You can buy special pieces of plastic, but you can also use paint swatches. This one is from Walmart. Here are examples of paint swatches you could use. Just cut it up and wrap the tape around here. You can use business cards or playing cards. You can DIY your own by using cardboard or anything hard and not super bendy. I have this piece of plastic from packaging of something, and that is also valid to use. You just want to take your washi tape. I'm getting a good start to it so it will stick to the card like so, and then you pull off your tape and you wrap it around like so. If you're sending this to friends, you don't want to be stingy and give them only a little bit of washi tape. You want to give them a lot of washi tape because you have a big roll and you want to be generous to your friends. So you can just rip it up and roll it on. Washi samples work great because washi tape is not super sticky and it's able to re-stick. So even though I took this off the roll and I'm putting it back together like this, it will still stick in your notebook even after all of this handling. Now I call that a nice, generous washi tape sample. Washi tape is also great to decorate cards. So if you're sending your pen pal some washi tape samples, use your washi tape to decorate the inside and the outside of your greeting card. If you're even sending mail to your mom or to your grandmom, decorate their card with washi tape. It will always make somebody smile, I can guarantee. Well, that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know your favorite ways to use washi tape in the description down below. My next video will be posted on Thursdays at noon Eastern Standard Time, back to my regular schedule. This is the official end of Washi Tape Week on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. You can catch my other videos in the links in the description. I hope you're staying safe and healthy. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.